Most people believe saving money will make them rich. It won't. Saving protects you, but investing grows you. Two people can start from the same place, same salary, same age, same opportunities, but their lives end very differently. One chooses safety, the other chooses growth. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine two friends. Both start working at the age of 22. The first person saves money every month. He feels proud watching his bank balance slowly grow. It makes him feel safe, comfortable, protected. And there is nothing wrong with saving. Saving is good. Saving is smart. But saving alone is not enough. Now look at the second person. He also saves money, but he does something different. He takes a small portion and invests it. At first, it feels scary. He doesn't know everything. He makes small mistakes. He learns slowly, but he keeps going. Years pass. The saver still has money, but the investor has something more: growth. Because money sitting in a bank stays the same. Money that is invested works. This is the difference most people don't understand. Saving is protection. Investing is progress. Here is where emotions start to control people. The saver is afraid to lose money. He thinks, "What if I invest and lose everything?" So he keeps saving, year after year. But prices go up, life becomes expensive, and his money loses power. Slowly, silently. Now look at the investor. He also feels fear, but he learns to control it. He doesn't invest everything. He starts small. He studies. He waits. He stays patient. And patience is where real wealth begins. Let me explain something important. Saving is short-term safety. Investing is long-term freedom. If you only save, your money stays limited. If you invest wisely, your money starts growing even when you sleep. This is not magic. This is how the world works. Every successful person understands this. They don't just save money, they make money work for them. Another mistake people make: they wait too long. They say, "I'll start investing when I earn more." But the truth is, time is more powerful than money. Someone who starts investing early with small amounts will often beat someone who starts late with big amounts, because growth needs time, years, patience, discipline. Now think about these two people again. At 22, they were the same. At 30, they looked different. At 40, their lives are completely different. One is still saving, still worried, still depending on his job. The other has built something: assets, investments, opportunities. Not because he was smarter, but because he started. This is the real secret. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You need courage to begin. Even small steps matter. Even small investments matter. Because habits shape your future, and the habit of investing changes the direction of your life. Saving keeps you safe. Investing moves you forward. And the people who move forward eventually create freedom. So don't just save your money. Teach it to grow. Because one day, your investments will start working harder than you. And that is the moment life begins to change.